To celebrate Earth Day, follow along with me to make this cool earth craft. And if you like this video or find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you'll need are shaving cream, white, green, and blue paint, a paper plate, a spoon, and a wide container. The first step is to fill the container with shaving cream. The second step is to scatter each color of paint randomly on the shaving cream. Next, move the spoon around to slightly mix the colors. The last step is to dip the paper plate into the shaving cream and paint. Press down firmly to make sure you cover the whole plate. Pull it up and then allow it to dry. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.